January 2nd, 2009. Morbark 1200 tub grinder. Video showing some repairs made at customer's request. One issue was the slowness and lack of hydraulic pressure in this boom and the jib. As you can see, that has been remedied. Under the cab, and I'll show you in a moment, the location is a set of secondary and primary shuttle valves. We replaced the 5 secondary shuttle valves and put O-rings in the primary shuttle valves. When you're in the cab here, there you can see this plate. You can see the screws there where you take them apart. While we're in the cab, we also finished hooking up the tachometer and the probe, and it is in working condition. Next item was the outrigger. We replaced the valve. I'll walk around and show it in operation. There's the outrigger. This is the new replacement outrigger. One other item was the discharge conveyor, the folding. Again, the valve was malfunctioning. We replaced that with the center valve. We'll show it in operation. On this discharge conveyor, this side has a new cylinder and pins. The other ram on the other side was completely rebuilt with new seals. It also has pins instead of bolts that were in place from it previously. This is the new cylinder. We also replaced or added a couple of chains, services. operation, so you're not putting all of the pressure and weight of the discharge conveyor on the seals in the ram. I'll walk around. There are the pins. Those are the pins that came with the new cylinder, and we use the pins on the other side for the new cylinder. One of the other customer concerns was a broken mill rod. There you can see one that was replaced. And while we were in here, we noticed a couple of others were cracked, so we replaced one. There's one. And two over is another one. So we replaced 3 mill rods. And you can also see the new hammers that were already mentioned. One other customer issue was cracking of the belt. We adjusted the tail pulley in addition to the head pulley, thereby making it track properly. Go around to the head pulley itself. One thing you do have to watch is when you fold this conveyor for transport, the belt becomes completely loose, and it does have a natural tendency to go to one side or the other at a time. Also, at the customer's request, we have gone around, gone over the guide and support wheels. On this first wheel, we have a new axle. On the third wheel, new axle, plane, and bushing. Fourth one, wheel, bushing, and axle. Number 5 has wheel, axle, and bushing, as well as the mounting plate. Number 6, plate, wheel, bushing, and axle completely. 7, axle, wheel, and bushing. Now I'll shut this off for just a second as I walk around to get to wheel number 8 over here. Now from the other side, this is wheel number 8. Wheel number 8 has axle, wheel, and bushing. Next is number 9. It has a wheel and bushing. Number 10, axle, plate, and bushing. Number 11 was okay. Number 12 had a bushing, plate, and axle. Now back here for a point of reference on the repairs made for the loader to work. This is under the cab where these 4 hoses are coming in there in line to the back of those valves where we put in the O-rings. You can't really see the secondary. It's up on top of the valve bodies with the valve, the secondary shuttle valves that were replaced.